I typed my first computer program as a kid when I was 10 years old or so, and I never looked back. After I became proficient in computer programming, I developed an interest in making the computers intelligent by themselves. And at Locomation, we are looking to tap into the strongest parts of humans, what humans can do, strongest parts of AI and robots, what robots can do, and how they can team up in the most safe, reliable, and profitable fashion. So that brings us to Locomation.
I'm Brad Dranko. I'm a senior mechanical engineer here at Locomation. We're using additive manufacturing and some of the composite materials that the M2 is compatible with to make end-use parts that are actually being used in the field on our prototypes. Iterating with injection molding just isn't feasible. A mold for one of our parts would be tens of thousands of dollars, and we'll change the part 3 or 4 times. The M2 Plus allows us to reduce that cost.
Locomation's first product is Autonomous Relay Convoy, or ARC for short. So the way our convoy approach works is that there are 2 trucks. In the front truck there is a driver driving the truck and guiding the convoy. The second truck drives itself only to the extent to follow the leader from a close distance. At predetermined times, the trucks can swap places. This way, the entire convoy can operate up to 22 hours a day, almost around the clock.
So additive manufacturing is helping us bring ARC to market quicker because we're able to make these quick adjustments. Things like when we're adjusting sensor fields of view, it doesn't take weeks to make a change. We can have stuff next day.
Despite being one of the last company to start in the autonomous trucking space, we are actually the closest one to deploying commercial trucks at scale.
The M2 Plus has put Locomation on the track to become first to market.